Hey guys, it's Bismoto. I'm out on the Honda Grom today, 2018 I believe. I got so many bikes I can't even remember what year it is. Oh well. Anyhow, notice today I got 1,500 miles on this thing. Almost 16 right now. It's been good so far, no problems. Didn't do any mods to it except for the handlebars. That's it. That's probably all I will do. I mean, I am thinking about putting a Zoom exhaust on it. We'll see. 50-50 chance on that. Yeah, guys, it's another nice day before Easter. Hope you guys have a happy Easter. Spend time with your family you live with, anyways, I guess. I have no plans, so that's good too. Just out enjoying a ride. It's like 56 degrees right now, a little chilly, but not too bad. When I stop, I warm up a little bit. It's nice that everything's starting to turn green again. I see the buds coming out on the trees, so probably within a week we'll have green trees, so that would be nice. Something to look forward to. So guys, all you guys are still working and stuff and don't have to worry about paying bills and stuff like that. When you guys get your Trump money, are you guys planning on buying any accessories for your bike or anything like that? If you are, let me know in the comments what your plans are and what you're planning on doing to your bike. It'd be kind of cool to see what people are planning on doing or buying with their money. Or if you're just going to save it or whatever. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to end up having to save mine. Like I said before, I started a new job at my work, and I'm kind of hesitant to go out spending a lot of money right now because I don't know if I'm gonna like it or if I'm gonna stay there or what's gonna happen or if they're gonna get rid of me or what. I have no idea. So my new job's not too horrible, so we'll see. I'll give it like a month or two, see if I'm still there or whatever before I go spending money. Oh man, it's nice having a 3-day weekend, that's for sure. I know later today I need to replace a light switch in my house. My bathroom, I went to flick it on and it doesn't turn on anymore, and I can feel that the switch is loose, so something's broken inside. So I gotta stop at Menards or something today if they're open, hopefully. Sure, I was going to get a Great America Season Pass. You know, that's like a roller coaster place for those of you guys don't know. It's like part of Six Flags, whatever. And I guess it's a good thing I did not buy a Season Pass this year because who knows if they'll even be open. This year is really shaping up to be a really shitty year, I gotta say. I mean, I don't even know if the people I ride with in the group, if they're even going to want to ride in the group, because I don't know if they're all afraid of getting this virus or what. But I don't know. The way I look at it, get it. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. I would prefer to get it and then just be done with it and not have to worry about it anymore. I mean, some people say, yeah, but it could kill you. But you know what? I won't know. So what's the difference? one thing or another is going to take you out, so I'm just not going to worry about it. You know, you still got to live your life. That's all I could say. You still got to live your life. I mean, I don't know. Whatever. Some people, you know, they might have kids and stuff like that, so yeah, they got things to worry about, whatever. But I get it. So nice. Yeah, guys, I got the Z190 motor ordered for my Ice Bear Champion, but from what I'm being told is China's having a hard time with shipping anything right now, so I don't know how long that's going to take to get. Kind of worried about it. As long as I'm not out $600, I don't care, but if I'm out $600, I'm going to be pissed. There will be problems. But I'm sure everything will be okay. Yeah, guys, I used to live in this neighborhood a long time ago. We used to live in this house right here on the corner. Not this one, but that one right there. It was a 5-acre farmette right there. My mom and dad built that wishing well years ago. But yeah, it's a lot nicer now. They paved the driveway and stuff. And it looked like they metal sided the barn, so that's cool. A lot better than what it used to be. My best friend lived on the corner just opposite of us. There was no houses between here except for this yellow one here, which was his grandpa. And this is my best friend's house. Two of my best friends, actually, when I was a kid. First I was friends with his sister, and then I became friends with her brother. So I don't see her too much anymore, or at all, I should say. But I do see her brother quite often. We're still really good friends. I drive this way all the time with you guys, but I don't know if I ever told you like where my friends lived and stuff like that back in the day. My best friend Bob, another one of my best friends I should say, lived in this house right here. They're into like really cool cars, build a lot of hot rods and stuff. Kind of miss those days. It was kind of fun, you know, when you're a kid, at least you get to hang out, do things all the time. Now everybody's got kids and families, and they got things they got to do and responsibilities, so kind of sucks getting older, gotta tell you. For all you younger guys kids watching this video and want to get a grom and you're too young to get one now, don't wish your life away just to get one of these things. You'll still be able to get one when you get older. Enjoy being a kid, because it doesn't last long. All the churches are closed. Kind of crazy. That one looks like they're going to be open, but I don't see how. I think there's a shutdown where they're not supposed to be in groups, but I don't know. According to the sign, it says like there's going to be a worship, but maybe they're going to do it online or something. Don't know. Yeah, guys, I'm kind of excited about putting that bigger motor in that Ice Bear Champion, though. That bike's going to be a blast to ride, I'm sure. I sold my Ice Bear Mad Dog. I kind of wish I didn't now. I wouldn't mind having it, but like I keep saying, I only have a shed, and I'm running out of room, which really sucks. I might have enough room for, well, let's just put it this way. It's so annoying for me to get a bike out right now that sometimes by the time I decide the bike I want to ride, I end up changing my mind and not going for a ride at all. So, yeah, I got to find a way to make it easier to get my bikes out. Nice Toyota for sale. I like it. My sister's husband has one of those Toyota, I forgot what they are, Ford Runner or whatever the hell it is, I don't know. But the thing is so nice, I would love to have one. Well, a lot of stores open today, surprisingly. Everything's still open. Drive past the hardware store real quick and see if that's open. I'm not planning on going to this hardware store, but like I said, I do need to get a light switch, so but I plan on going to Menards or something to get that. Oh, guys, like I was saying though about the bikes, I got so many bikes. It's so hard for me to decide what I want to ride. It's unbelievable. I kind of wish I would have just stayed with two. One, you know, one big bike, one small bike. But it is fun having different things to ride every so often. But it's like I say though, it's just crazy trying to decide what to ride all the time. I'm very happy I got my grom I always wanted. You know, I mean, that was, I had, it's so funny hitting the horn button on the grom all the time because it's in such a weird location. But, oh well. But yeah, this was the bike I always wanted a grom. I always wanted one, and I got that red one first, that 2014. And that was a nice bike, man. I kind of wish I'd never sold that one. That thing was like brand spanking new. I mean, the guy who owned it took decent care of it. It didn't have a scuff or scratch or anything on it. That bike was sharp. And then I bought this one, and then I was like, well, why should I have two? So I got rid of the red one. And then I got the green C125 later on, and then I got rid of that. I got the orange C125. And now, you know, it's just I got this, and I plan on keeping it. I plan on keeping my orange Z125. I'm gonna keep my grom clone now. I was gonna sell that this year, but I changed my mind after talking to people on the groups and on Facebook and all that, the Facebook groups. And they're all like, no, don't. Ooh, nice cars. Nice Mustang and Corvette. I would prefer to have the Corvette just because I like the idea of having fiberglass body, especially living in Wisconsin, no rust. But the Mustang was really nice too, so I wouldn't mind that either. But yeah, guys, I'm happy with all the bikes I got now. I don't know if I'll keep them all forever, but right now I have no plans on getting rid of anything. If I could, I would like to get a faster big bike. But like I said, if I do that, I'll have to build a new shed. But I'm pretty sure I'm limited on the size of shed I could get. Guy at my work had a 919. I don't know, they call it a Hornet in some countries. I don't know if that's what they call it here. But it was a Honda 919, and that thing was cool. I was hooked. And he told me he would sell it to me for like $1,500. I had the money, ready to buy it. Guy changed his mind. So that went out the window. But yeah, I got a metal shed right now that is kind of getting old in its years, and it's time for me to upgrade. I wish I could build a big enough one where I could build enough room for my bikes and have like a little workshop. But I think we're limited like 12 by 12 or 10 by 10 or something like that. So I'm gonna have to look at my lease. I just got a new one I gotta sign. So I gotta look at that. But anyways, guys, like I said, let me know what you guys are planning on buying with your Trump money, if you're going to do upgrades on your bikes or if you're just going to save it, whatever. Leave it in the comments. But thanks for being with me on this ride. It's getting a little long, so I think it's time for me to stop it. But yeah, guys, thanks for being with me on the ride, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and do what you got to do to not get sick. So I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.